in space. With easy, morons. It doesn't work. Yet. It doesn't work yet. Who said it doesn't work? Me. I want to join the WDF and hide behind doors like cowards while playing cards and stuff.
Well, we don't just play cards.
Con, can you grab a fresh pack? We literally only play cards so much that the numbers have faded.
Good door. Good door.
Wow. Okay. Just gonna leave then, because this worked so weirdly well. Go doors!
Did you just slap me with that arm?
Holy crap, it talks.
I'm Serial Designation N. Nice to meet you. I'm kind of the leader of the squad in this city. That's not true. Everyone tells me I'm useless and terrible. Wait, I'm not supposed to tell you that part! Biscuits! Sweet, I'm open to new things, I guess.
We're never talking about this.
Talking about what?
No! No! Please stop beating my own eggshells in front of my family!
And yet, I still feel nothing.
Hospitable tonight.
Oh, God! Who are you? And you're worthless and terrible. And if the...
Oh! You know, I left an extremely dangerous weapon, excuse, outside. Hey, fellas. Ooh, deal me in. I love rummy. Wait, no, I'm going to murder everyone. Brain check.
You know what that means. Branded pen.
Nuh-uh. No bonding thing. You just killed a bunch of people, idiot.
That's super fair. I screwed up.
In the same way you're about to fix it.
I love doing anything.
Put that conventionally attractive male down.
Damn the well-made, quality-assured durability of J.C. Jensen products!
Have fun repressing this.
Ew! What the hell?
I'm an angsty, rebellious disassembly drone now. Nice to meet you, Mr. Uzi.
Shut it.